No touch me.
Okay, this is what I want to wish you. Your children go attend public schools. And now there they will graduate from. Say amen. No, why you find it difficult to say amen?
Wait.
Why you find it difficult to...
There is a difference between wish and swear. The way where you talk that thing, you don't come from the bottom of your heart.
No, I don't wish you.
Let me wish you too. Almost see as God they walk. I said the person will compose this song. The time when the person compose this song, you're not gonna say in 2022 this song will be relevant. Parents, listen to your children. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Try to pay our school fees and give us sound education.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi, education is the bedrock of a nation's existence. And for somebody when we say he be presidential aspirant to come out talk say, if you vote me as president, I am going to pay the WAEC fees of your children. That man is a very, very good man. That man is a God-fearing man. Because that man knows that if you empower the child and you teach that child and the child becomes educated, the child will break free from the shackles of ignorance. Break free from the shackles of poverty.
Break free, be superhero. Break free. Will you just calm down?
If your hand hits me with that break free, what you do?
No, be the show muscle.
Me, I do like this. They do like this. If your hand hits me.
Make I even. What is the definition of free education? I mean, not even free education, empowerment. What you talk about? What you mention? See, it goes beyond education. May I even come make a very, 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 very clear to you. See, when they sing this song, where you mention now. Now the era, it don't take. When primary education, public primary education still get relevant for this country. When secondary school education still get relevant for this country. But right now, primary education in public primary education in Nigeria is total nonsense.
That's why he wants to change it. That's why he's making promise to parents.
Public secondary education is total nonsense.
Okay, Nkubi, let me ask you.
No, ask me. Let me get done first. Total nonsense. And every time they're going to tell us,
why your hand?
If you can't pass my feet, I will bite and come out. What we say every time, instead of us to think about moving forward, thinking about, I mean, way bigger ideas, we go develop us as humans. Now, free education. The ones who don't go so far, which employment or services that don't provide to make sure you empower people.
He wants to change it now. He wants to change it. He wants to pay the
wife to change it. He forget when he did power. That time when he served as governor.
He be governor, now governor of just one state. Out of 36. Now he will be president of the whole Nigeria.
So.
And so he go.
He just switch from mouth to talk. He just switch from mouth.
He don't do it before.
Why?
When he was governor, nobody the example when they give. He said when he be governor, they pay WAEC and he's going to do it again. He has done it before, he will do it again. He has done it before, so he will do it again.
Let me tell you this. I wish you
Don't tell me this. Don't wish me
Why
this.
Why beating me? I did not beat you this hard.
Me too. Sorry.
No. You are beating me too hard.
I'm returning your beating.
Oh yeah. Let me tell you.
Don't tell me.
You are holding me too fair.
You too. You are putting. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay. This is what I want to wish you. Your children go attend public schools, and now there they will graduate from. Say amen. No, why you find it difficult to say that?
Wait.
Why you find it difficult to...
There is a difference between wish and swear. The way where you talk that thing, you don't come from the bottom of your heart.
No, I don't wish you.
Let me wish you too.
No. I have accepted. I'm not in the game before because my children will not go to public education.
So your own no go, man. Now my own you want me to go.
No, because of course now you
he won't change them so that everybody children go fit go.
That's why I say your children go.
Why making change them first?
Make it change first before your children go.
That's what he's saying. Say if you vote I mean.
Why your children not fit start to go now?
Why can be SS3? So he go change them before they reach SS3.
Primary education no dey there.
Common entrance. That's small certificate. WAEC, his eye is on WAEC. His eye is on WAEC.
See, let me make it very clear. We don't pass all this first of Femi, what's his name? One time governor of this way contest that time. Femi Bola Tinubu them, Michael Otodola them. All those eras of 1960s, 1970s, where they give us free education, we no longer want it. If you're giving us free education, you don't need to go and declare, make our sit a big thing. We don't want it anymore. Let us advance beyond all this free education, give you road, give you this. Other countries don't go past them. Nigeria is way bigger than this, please.
Wow, first debate of 2022, we turn out to fight. You self, Asiwaju, you they try. But Go pay WAEC. The school nko. School won't be like poultry. How they want to teacher too self. As you dey pay WAEC, you pay teachers. Employ the right people. I wish you all the best.
Wait, I the guy say poultry, school poultry.
No.
No.
It's okay. Within few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you. I don't to convince you.
Ah!